Hey Flip fam, FlipMan, flipping out over here. So I wanted to break down my first ever deal for you guys. This happened, boy, 2 decades ago now. Time sure flies when you're having fun at it. So back in 1998, I wanted to get into fix and flip. Back then, no HD TVs, no one really knew what a fix and flip was or a wholesale deal. I learned from a few infomercials back in the day about investment real estate. So what I did is I went to a title company. I went to a bunch of title companies, as a matter of fact, and I found out who the people were to find investment deals from and where to find the money. Again, I wasn't an investor in 1998, but I told the title companies I was an investor because in my mind I was an investor. So my first deal happened in '98 and I purchased it for $75,000. And how did I find that deal? I went to all the different title companies in Arizona and asked to find the realtor who was working with investors finding investment properties. So I came across a guy named Troy out in Arizona. He took me to some properties. He was actually a wholesaler back in the late 90s, which there were very few around. So I took on my first deal. I gave him a $10,000 earnest deposit. He put it in escrow with the title company, and I was on my way. I was so excited to finally find that first deal after almost a year of research and study. So I found the deal. On that deal, the person I work with, she was a private money lender. She lent me the full $75,000 and had never met me, but she lent me 100% of the purchase price, and I had to come in with the renovation money, which was $20,000 back in those days. So I was able to find the money, find the property. Finally, I had to find the renovators, the rehab guys who would do the work. So again, being brand new, I didn't know anyone. So I would call off Craigslist, different publications in Arizona, and the people may or may not show up. They may be good workers, they may not. So that was a tricky part. And then finally, the fourth thing, I had to, after I renovated it, I had to sell the property for a profit. Now, being my first one, I was just excited to do my first fix and flip. I overspent in the project. I thought it was going to sell for more than it did. And then again, I overpaid the contractor. So I made all the mistakes, didn't have a mentor showing me how to put the deal together. And at the end of the day, I ended up making $1,000 in profit. Now, you may say that's nothing, but I was thrilled with the profit, believe it or not. Why? Because I was now in the fix and flip game. And from that point forward, I was a real investor, and that changed my life. So that's the process of FlipMan's first fix and flip. Hope you guys got some good info, good nuggets from that. I love teaching about it, so if you're interested in learning more, the process, the flow, I've done over 1,000 flips now from day one to today, 20 years, and life has changed, and I got the process, the systems down. Love to hear from you. Send me a DM. Be happy to help you through the process, and go flip one. Peace. Hey Flip Nation, FlipMan here. Hey, awesome news guys. I have created a new ebook on how to scale your business to 6 figures fixing and flipping. Want you guys to check it out. It's free. Go to my Instagram at flippin_az and register to get your free ebook on how to scale 6 figures and fix and flip business.